Chairman of the Zainul Hasan Legon Islamic Boarding School Foundation, Syekh Haji Hasan Mutawakil Allah SIM. Honorable Rector of Gendong, Associate Professor D.R. Abdul Aziz BAMAG, the Honorable Head of the Early Study Program, D.R. Zainuddin MPD, respected lecturer and dear friends. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Siti Nuaini. Today, I would like to explain about vocabulary. What is vocabulary? Vocabulary is the collection of words in a language, serving as the primary goal for communication, understanding text, and expressing ideas both orally and in writing. Mastering vocabulary both active and passive, listening, speaking, reading, and writing skills. Learning encompasses various categories such as nouns, verbs, adjectives, phrasal verbs, and idioms. Vocabulary is also known as word stock, lexicon, and lexis. However, vocabulary is different from grammar, although both are fairly important in English. In general, vocabulary is divided into two categories: active vocabulary and passive vocabulary. Active vocabulary such as run, eat, and sleep. Passive vocabulary such as converse and consume. Tips and ways to learn vocabulary in this digital age. There are many alternatives for learning vocabulary, including watching movies, listening music, and listening to podcasts, or reading English novels. I think enough for my presentation today, and there are any mistakes, I apologize. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.